This is Jared with the Tech Educator 101 channel. So I recently did a video on Salix, and I was a little bit confused on their updating and installing packages. I was expecting it to be more like upstream Slackware and using Slack package, but they're actually using a tool called slapt-get and a front end called gslap. And here it is on Slack builds. It looks like you can actually install on Slackware itself. And what they're trying to do is emulate the Debian apt system for installing and updating software. And so it's kind of interesting. I've been playing with it a little bit to try to understand how it works a little better. It's actually not too difficult. I was just kind of surprised when I was doing the video. So I was going to play with it a little bit. So I'm going to search for VLC. And you can see that there's VLC right there. If we go ahead, to install, it's just okay. Oh. It can also resolve dependencies, which Slack package or Slackware's native one does not. But it really does look a lot like apt. So it's going out, pulling VLC and everything else that it would need to run it. So it's actually a really interesting program. I'm actually kind of liking it. And then there it is right there. So I went out and grabbed it and installed it. And I think, let's just do that. Nope, it's remove. So it's not installing the dependencies, but can remove directory not empty. So, okay, so this VLC's gone. So it's kind of interesting. But again, that is the command. The front end is gslap. And then you can search for stuff. You can search for programs this way and install them. And that is really it.
If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. And if you want to see more of my content, please click subscribe. Have a great day.